Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are okay and happy. So before jumping into today's video's topic, let me give you some disclaimer because why I was not making videos from past 2 weeks. वैसे तो मुझे किसी ने पूछा नहीं कि क्यों नहीं बना रही है ये वो, so मैं ऐसे ही बोलना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे कैमरे के साथ इंटरेक्ट करना सीखना पड़ेगा बिकॉज आई हैव टू इंटरेक्ट विथ यू गाइज थ्रू दिस कैमरा एंड दैट्स वाई आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी मोर फ्रेंडली विथ द कैमरा. सो मुझे किसी ने पूछा है या पूछा नहीं, उससे मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. आई एम गोइंग टू से वाई आई वॉज नॉट मेकिंग वीडियोज़ from past 2 weeks. So first of all, you guys can understand कि this is a new phone. I didn't buy any camera. I bought a new phone and इसके पहले I was shooting from, I was filming my videos from this old phone. This is MI Note 4 and I bought this 4 years back. So देख ही सकते हो इसका पूरा कांच ऐसे टूटा मोटा है, मतलब बहुत ही हालत ख़राब है. एंड लेट मी जस्ट शो यू द फ़ोन. दिस इज़ द फ़ोन एंड सब कुछ वैसे तो ठीक है, सब कुछ वैसे ठीक है, लेकिन ये बहुत ज़्यादा हैंग होता है. एंड कैमरा क्वालिटी, यू गाइस नो द कैमरा क्वालिटी ऑफ दिस फ़ोन. सो आई वॉज लाइक आई नीड टू बाई अ फ़ोन. आई डिडंट बाई दिस फ़ोन. मुझे मेरी मम्मी पापा ने दिया है. मुझे मेरे मम्मी पापा ने बर्थडे पे गिफ्ट दिया है. सो ऐसे ही. एंड लुक एट द बैकग्राउंड, द क्लॉथ. आई बॉट दिस क्लॉथ फ्रॉम फ्लिपकार्ट एंड ऑल्सो द लाइटिंग. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लाइटिंग के पीछे बहुत बड़ी सी स्टोरी है. आई बॉट अ फेयरी लाइट्स. वाई सो मच फ्लक्चुएशन? ओके, लेट्स कंटिन्यू. आई बॉट white fairy lights from Flipkart, but the length of that fairy light was too small and I couldn't return it because my mom has thrown the bill. Yes, that's why I couldn't return. and then I was like अब क्या करना है. सो घर में दिवाली में जैसे लाइटिंग लगाते हैं, बाहर से जाके मैं ये वाला लाइटिंग उठा के लाई हूँ. एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट आई एम यूजिंग इन द बैकग्राउंड. सो दिस इज़ जस्ट ए बेसिक लाइटिंग एंड उसके ऊपर एक कपड़ा जो मैंने फ्लिपकार्ट से खरीदी है. सो नाउ लेट्स जम्प टू टुडेज टॉपिक. So today's video topic is all about lipstick. Lipstick is personally my favorite makeup products. If I have to choose one makeup product which I can use for the rest of my life, then it has to be lipstick. So I don't have any 20 or 50 or 100 of lipstick just like the other bloggers, because obviously they have the money to buy those lipstick and also they get PR, but I am unemployed and I don't get PR because obviously I mean to some small YouTuber, मुझे कौन PR देगा. So that's why मेरे पास इतना ज़्यादा लिपस्टिक नहीं है. So I have 7 lipstick currently with me, but I am not going to show those 7 lipsticks with you. I will share only my favorite lipstick, so which is basic and which every girl needs basically. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. Okay, so the first lipstick I have with me is the Elite Tint Colourpop matte lipstick. लिपस्टिक का सारा डिटेल्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा, सो चेक कर लेना if you want to buy any of this lipstick. So the first lipstick is the Elite Tint Colourpop matte lipstick and it's red in shade. This is the shade of this lipstick and yes, you can see I have finished almost half of it because yes, I love it. And red lipstick is so classy, and if you are a Bengali girl, I know you must have at least one red lipstick in your makeup kit. And I know if you are a Bengali, you can go out without anything, without any makeup or anything else, but you can never go out without red lipstick, especially इतना गलत क्यों यार. if you want any red lipstick which is also budget friendly, I think it's below 100 maybe, or maybe 200. No, maybe it's below 100. So if you need any red lipstick below 100, then you can check this one. Let me swatch this in front of you. But the one fault of the red lipstick is that you can't wear it every time. I mean, if you are going to shopping, or it's a day out, or you are going to college, you are going to office, you just can't wear red lipstick, and that time you need a nude lipstick. And also I have a nude one, and this is Maybelline Nude Nuance, Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick Nude Nuance, and this is what I am wearing right now. And see, can you detect I have any lipstick? And that's why I said that you can wear it every time. No matter what the occasion is, you can also wear it in your college, in your office, or everywhere you want to wear it. So let me just do a quick swatch. So this is the color of this lipstick, and this is like coffee types का कुछ color है, but the color is really very beautiful, and you can even wear this color at your home. This is so mild, I mean so mild color. It will go well with all of your outfit and with all the occasion you have. Now the next up I have is the pink one, and yes, this is from Lakme. This is from Lakme Enrich Matte Lipstick, and this is the color of the lipstick. See, the pink is very beautiful. It goes well with every outfit, especially with this kind of yellow top. It goes really well. If you don't like makeup, or you want to do nothing, just you want to look presentable, then you can wear this kind of yellow top, and make sure the yellow is not the light yellow, it's dark yellow. I mean थोड़ा सा deep yellow होना चाहिए, and उसके साथ just wear this lipstick and you are good to go. This lipstick, the color of this lipstick is very beautiful, guys, and it will suit with your blue outfit as well, with your black outfit as well. So this is the color which I have shown, and let's do a quick swatch here. This is the color of this lipstick. And the last one I have, this is also from LE18 Colourpop matte lipstick, and this is in the shade क्या बोलते हैं इसको, थोड़ा सा brown red kind of shade. This is the shade of this lipstick. This is not totally red and this is not totally brown. Let's just swatch this one also. See, this is the color. So if you ask me what is my top picks from these four, then I will choose this nude one, I will choose this nude one and the pink one, because the nude one is the everyday nude lipstick. You can wear it every time, every day, no matter what the occasion is, you can wear it every day, and this is for all the nude lovers. And if you are not a nude lover, you want some colorful lipstick like red, like pink, like brown, like cherry color का कुछ flavors, flavors नहीं, colors, then you should go for this one. This is a pink lipstick. The shade is so beautiful. So this is my top two lipstick from these four. So choose accordingly what you want to choose. So that was my today's video guys. I hope this video was helpful, and helpful नहीं हुआ तो enjoy तो ज़रूर किया होगा शायद, और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार, कर दो ना, करने से क्या जाता है, सब्सक्राइब कर देना और एक लाइक भी कर देना, और कौन सा पार्ट अच्छा लगा या फिर कोई लिपस्टिक रिकमेंडेशन या फिर एनीथिंग एल्स कमेंट डाउन बिलो, एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन शेयर इट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, विथ योर फैमिली, एंड आई विल सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वन. टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय एंड टाटा.